Yeah. Oh!
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see Lamarr Wilson here. Back with another video. I am so excited. These finally came in the mail. I've been sitting at the door really like, I don't have my knife down here. I can't find it. But I was waiting for the UPS guy. Actually, if I had that knife out, it would have been bad. But anyway, let's get down to business. We'll do as much one take as we can of this. I have the limited edition PS4 Pro Spider-Man edition here, and one to give away, and a giveaway wouldn't be possible without my sponsor, Squarespace. Whether you need a domain, website, or online store, make it with Squarespace. So something else I need to give away is this tablecloth I like to call a shirt. Look, it's the closest I had to like red, white, and I did the best I could. Now, I know you're looking at the screen, you're like, Lamarr, that is your Xbox One. What are you doing? This is a PlayStation video. I know, but I just wanted to show how much I love Spider-Man. That has been my background for, I think, a good year or so. The Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite, whenever that came out, Spider-Man's there. I know y'all see that Shadow of the Tomb Raider. I can't talk about it yet, but I've been playing it. Hoo-hoo. Okay, anyway, that might have been a violation just to say hoo-hoo. So, but yeah, we went. Anyway, how about we unbox this? Again, I don't have my knife down here. This is a temporary situation. So, I've gone soft. We're gonna have to use a box cutter. I know. Before I do that, let's just take a look at the box. This is the limited edition PS4 Pro Spider-Man edition. There are some polarizing opinions about this, about whether it's ugly or pretty. I think it's hot. I ordered two from Amazon the moment they were available. And again, thanks to the sponsor, I was able to do that. One for me and one for you. You know, there's a giveaway link that's going to be below, so you can enter. But I just want to show you, like, the box. I didn't even know this was on the back. So that is, what's the Mr. Negative? Is that his name? I don't know every villain or whatever, but I am so hyped for this game. I've seen so many of you all playing already. You've been sending me screenshots on Twitter. I'm just, oh God. Okay, let's go ahead and so, like, I can't even talk. How do you, okay, I've never used this before. I know this is a violation of everything I hold true in this channel. I am so sorry, but see, that's all it was. I didn't need to get a knife for that. So let me, you know what, I'm not gonna try to get pretty. My phone is, let's get this out the way, but you know, this is gonna be the giveaway one, so I'll keep it somewhere there. Ow, okay, man, this, I'm keeping this. I know we don't keep the boxes. I'm keeping this box. This box is nice, just, oh my God, okay. I have not seen this yet. This is as much as one take as I can do. I mean, there might be a break or two, but we'll see. So we know, blah, blah, blah. I have a PS4 Pro. There's nothing new. But as a matter of fact, I unboxed one recently for my upstairs game room. So there was a Star Wars one. So we, like, all of this with the tables. Matter of fact, okay. Since it came out, let's talk about this. Now, here's the thing. And this is a weird position I'm in. You've seen all my fat and stuff. I'm working on. Anyway, a lot of people say this is ugly, and I hear you, but I still say it's nice. So shut up. But yeah, I mean, I feel you. You're used to the buttons being black, but it's a nice change. Like, this is a controller. Let me show real quick. One take. Hold on. I am not turning off that camera. Okay. So this is the current red one that I have, and I get it. People like this, and so, but this is the Spider-Man one. We just kind of have to, it's gonna be okay. It's okay. That is different. Different is good. So that's the controller. Oh man. Oh, okay. Before we even show that, I am stalling. I know this won't be a super long video. I'm gonna get to the point really quick because I have another delivery coming in about 30 minutes, and I need to get this video out. This is the actual game. There's that shadow again. Okay, we're working on it. There's the actual game. I was going to get it on digital, but since I have this, I'll just use the disc, because it's not one of those games that you will play for years and years to come. It's not like a Smash Brothers or something. You know what I mean? Like, it has the beginning and an end. So I'll use the disc since I paid for it. I traditionally do like digital because I have two different places I play. So I'll just have to remember to take the disc up. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is all messy right here. It's on my ottoman. You can't really see it, but Okay, here, let me do the moment. Let me get a little closer. Let's do the moment of truth with you all. All right. So there. Oh! Oh Lord. Oh my oh my God. Oh that is beautiful. Oh, okay. Let's go. Okay, you know that shadow is not gonna be happening. Stop it. Okay, so you see that part? I mean, it's just red all around. Except is that the ports? Yeah, those are the ports. And the back, nice and red. But this, my, you sure look good tonight. I was trying to kill for the people who don't know. Anyway, wow. It is glossy. You can tell that it's definitely etched in there. Man, I don't even want to touch it, but hey, here's the thing. I'm not going to be touching. It's going to be in here. My only, if there's a complaint, then it's a really bad complaint. I would guess that since this is the front, I would have liked the spider to be turned. So, cause this is how it's going to be in the TV thing. However, first of all, in this cabinet, I won't even. Well, my fat leg is in the way. In this cabinet, I'll zoom in closer after in a minute. I won't be able to see the spider anyway, so I don't know what I'm complaining about. But I'm guessing this is for people who set it up. And I don't have a stand on how to do it. I don't know if it comes with a stand. I don't think it does. But yeah, it's a silly thing. But I was like, since this is the way I have mine, I thought the spider would be. But again, it's gonna be in this cabinet. No one's gonna probably ever see it. So let's set that up really quick. I'm not gonna go through the whole setup of it. You know, like it's gonna take time to put my account in and everything. But here, I'm just gonna take my current PS4 Pro out. And I'm just gonna use the same cords. I mean, it's a Pro. Okay, what happened here? Okay. Hold on. Okay. I'm trying to see what happened. Now, this one, what are you gonna do with this one? This has already been allocated. You know the guy who sings Lamarr Wilson, Tay Brooks, he expressed about 3 weeks ago that he really wanted a PS4. And so I'm surprising, well, he knows about it now, but I'm surprising him with, there's a lot of dust on here. But yeah, Tay Brooks gets my PS4 Pro that I've had. And so, yeah, congratulations to you, Tay Brooks. You win. Thank you for singing Lamarr Wilson. All right, so we'll put that to the side. We'll put this in. I just want to see what it's going to look like. Don't look at my booties. Okay, it is in. Oh, that's just a nice deviation. I love that red that's done there. You all can see. I will zoom that in a little bit. There you go. Get to see that. Nice and red. If it's not focusing because my fat is in the way, but yeah, it's right there. Okay, we turned it on for the first time. I have switched to TV. While we're doing that, put a little pop figure up here. Spider-Man, pop, poppity pop, pop, dirty pop. Do y'all remember the song Dirty Pop? Okay, anyway, yeah. I just got him right here for it. He might not stay here the whole time, but I just thought that was cute. Actually, over here too, I have Cherry. I'm starting to put a lot of my pops around the house so they kind of live with me. I'm stalling as this is happening. All right, guys, so the game is copying now. If I click it, it says it's going to be like 56 minutes left. We ain't trying to wait on that, but the game is in, ready to go. I'm so excited. You want to hear about this giveaway. I know. Let's do that. Again, I have something for me, and I have something for you all. So I bought this, again, thanks to our sponsor, which we'll talk about in just a second. PS4 Pro Limited Edition Spider-Man Edition, Marvel Spider-Man, could be yours if you click the link below. It's a Gleam link. You sign up, and if you've done Gleam giveaways, you know there will be some bonus entries if you want to follow me on Instagram and on Twitch. I'm just saying, maybe. I haven't decided yet, but there's some bonuses if you want to do that. But you have to be a subscriber to the channel, so make sure to qualify to even get in this. So make sure you do that. Everything will be verified. If you ain't, a follower and you got a bonus, like, we're gonna check everything. The giveaway is going to end Tuesday, around the time that this video comes out. So it'll say, but it'll be Tuesday. I'm not gonna have it go a week or 2 weeks. It's gonna end Tuesday. So make sure you sign in and you do not bug me, because it is an automated giveaway, and it is international, worldwide. Now I'm just gonna tell you, if this is region locked, that ain't, I mean, if you win and you're in Zimbabwe, I mean, I can't do anything about it. So I'm just like, let me let you know, I'm gonna open it up to everybody, but just understand, you get it, you might have to sell it or something to get one that's in your area. So that's not my responsibility. I'm just doing a giveaway, so y'all don't be crying that it can't be, it's not international. So anyway, Marvel's Spider-Man giveaway link is below. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it, and I really want to thank my sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace is an amazing platform for designing and hosting your website. Their beautiful designer templates make creating a powerful online identity even easier. They have 8 new templates in 2018, and they are amazing and are part of their all-in-one platform. There's nothing to install, patch, or upgrade ever. They have an award-winning 24/7 customer service, and it's simple to set up or transfer your domain on Squarespace. And also, it's never been easier to sell your products or services online. Squarespace allows you to manage your products, orders, and inventory easily. So head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Lamarr to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. So make your dreams a reality with Squarespace. All right, listen, so thank you for supporting my sponsors. They allow me to do what I do on a regular basis. Whether it was yesterday where we're giving away things to a school, or me giving this away to the audience, I'm able to do a lot of that because of you all watching and supporting everything that I do. So thank you so much. Good luck to you all to win this. In the comments below, tell me below if you're interested in the Spider-Man game. Are you playing it? Are you going to get it? Do you want to hurt somebody to get it? Don't do that. I couldn't think of anything to say. Anyway, no, but let me know in the comments if you're looking forward to this game. It is pretty much, besides this and the Lara Croft game, my whole weekend and next week is pretty much gone. And then there's Assassin's Creed Odyssey. That's gonna be another one. So anyway, listen, good luck. I hope you win this. It even says it's amazing red. I didn't even see that, like on the box. I hope it focuses in. But it says amazing red right there. That is awesome. And this is a 1 terabyte system, 4K HDR, deluxe edition. And I think the only thing that it does not have that I didn't get from Amazon is the digital voucher. But look, you're getting a whole console in the game, so don't cry over that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Good luck, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye! That was the wrong hand, but my hand is holding this. See ya.